Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap. So let's get started. Um, Week started on the 30th. So this is the first trade on Monday, the 30th, Euro Yen, 20-minute. Long entry here, buy order here, I shall move to break even. This indicator is all the way down, yellow is above the black, and that's my setup here, and has to be higher low, and red candle turns into blue. I open the trade right here. Okay, so this is the first one for 110 pip. The second trade on the 30th Monday is pound Aussie, and you can see here after dropping here, it start to bounce, going up, and yellow turn bullish above the black, and this indicates all the way down. This was the entry, this was the entry, this was the entry. So a good entry here. 85 pip. My buy order is right here. These are the two, and then the Tuesday comes. December 1st was a very good day, and this is pound Aussie, also 20-minute by the book entry. This was I just showed you. That's the first trade, and then it went up, came down, and gave me a second entry, and gone with the wind again for 85 pip. Pound yen buy entry for 80 pip on the first. And on the first, again, Euro USD, you can see here the entry, beautiful entry, and 130 pip. It is because the euro was getting strong and USD was getting very weak, right? It's been getting weak for a couple of weeks now, maybe more than that. And now on the first, again, the Euro Aussie, again, the euro was getting very strong, and sending Euro Yen, Euro USD, Euro Aussie, Euro NUSI, everything, all euro pairs to the upside. And this is another one here for 115 pip, right? And this is pound franc. I made a video about this, that I'm going to make a short entry a day before the entry. So when I found the entry, I went short here. So, and the target was this. So this is, you can see my entry is right there, and it hardly moved. I was like maybe 20, 25 pip positive. And it was supposed to drop here to make a butterfly to 127 area or 161 if it continue dropping, right? So this is how the butterfly pattern, the picture, the diagram that I posted on the chart here as well, so you can understand what I'm talking about here. This is the XABCD. It could be around 127, which is right there, or extended to 161. So we will see what happened to this. It went and hit 127. Not only that, but it went and hit 161 right there, right? And that's where I closed for 150 pip, which I said a day before that I'm going to take a short in pound franc. You can watch my video. And it's there, right? So this is what happened on second, on the third. No, not on the third. Continue the second pound CAD again. This is a short entry and 120 pip. And here Euro Aussie. This was the entry you just saw, and then it went up, dip again, and going up for 45 more pip on the second. And then here on the second, also Euro NUSI by the book entry here, beautiful entry, 85 pip here. And on the second, the pound, there was a short, and then this was a long, then a short again, and then you can see here's another short here. Only for 40 pip, but I closed it because I was expecting that it might be making a turn and going to the upside, which it did. 81.37, and you'll see another trade from here to the upside. I'll show you later. It's there. So is Aussie Yen here again? Beautiful entry, long entry for 60 pip. And here's the pound USD from 7-minute chart. This is the only trade I have this week from the 7-minute chart. And it is on the third, and here's by order, beautiful entry by the book, and gone for 90 pip. Now here on the third, Euro NUSI, this was the entry you just saw. It dipped here and again went up for 55 more pip. And then on the fourth, this is what I'm talking about. The pound Aussie dropped, and I was scared, so I closed my trade for 45 pip. And then because I was thinking, I was expecting that it will bounce, go back to 81.37, which it did. Then drop here, and then going long here because the pound is strength, I took it and 80 pip. It was more than that, but after dipping here, from here to this yellow line here, current price is 80 pip, 80 plus. Then you have pound Nuzi, same thing, beautiful trending. You can see how can you miss something like this, right? Entry here, entry here, entry here, entry here, entry here, all of these entries. 85 pip from here to here. And then you have this on the 4th today, right? Another buy order here, and pound yen from 20-minute chart for 55 pip. And another, the last one is this one, pound USD. Now, this one, you will notice that I went against the trend or against my setup. This is I call the second degree setup. Now, the reason for that is the chart that I made earlier. Let me show you the chart. And then I made a video even on yesterday about pound USD, that this pair is going to go up here and make the turn after NFP. As a specifically separate video on pound USD I made and posted yesterday. You can watch it. I was expecting that it will make a turn around 35.02 or 35.14, and that's what it did. Okay, so it started to pull down after touching this. I think it went up to as high as 35.20 or 24, and from there it started to drop, and I got in. Now this is called a second degree setup, and this is going towards wave, not away from the wave. All of the trades you saw, that was away from the wave, right? So coming into the wave and then going away. That's the first degree setup. My second degree setup is, I just closed the trade, by the way. You see this here, here's nothing here. I closed it for 80 plus pip. And um, where's the one I recorded, man? Hold on just a minute. Let me see. Um, this is the one, right? Yeah, so it was here when I recorded, and then after that I closed it. So this is what it is. This is what happened here. And okay, so what I was saying is that this is the second degree, is that coming towards the wave if we have an extended move or expecting a turn. For example, if I'm expecting, let's say if I'm expecting a turn from here to the going to the upside, let me see if I want to make sure that I am showing the chart, because I just made a video before and I messed it up, and it wasn't there. This is what the heck. No, not this one, man. What's up? Um, hold on. This is okay. This is the one. This is the photo. Right. Okay. This is the record. Right. So we are back on track now here. So you can see the chart. This is the trade. It was live here when I took the picture. 80 pip from top. So this is what I was talking about, that we will drop, and we did. And let's see if we continue, because today was NFP, and NFP changes a lot of directions, a lot of time, right? So in a lot of pairs. So let's see what happens if really we are going to change the direction and go to the downside, because my weekly chart shows that we have to go down a long way. So let's see, But I'm glad that I was right, and 35 3502 is the main number, and which nicely held. Uh, on a weekly chart, if the price goes up or down, maybe around 40, 50 pip up or down of a level, that doesn't mean anything, right? On a weekly chart, so it doesn't mean that the level is broken. Okay, so this is what happens. It went up a little bit, but it's a very big, long, strong level, 3502, and then price eventually came back down again, and it was hitting the pivot, daily pivot. That's why I said, you know what, 80 pips enough for now, and we still have a long way to go if I'm right. So I'll make some more next week, right? So this is it for now, and like I said, if you like what you saw, you want to get the system and get a hold of it and trade like this, so go on my website and subscribe. And today is Friday. You have half of the day here, and You have not half of the day, but a little bit, and then you have Saturday and Sunday to get the system and prepare the charts, setup, and all of that. I give you everything: the template, the setups, all these numbers, lines, everything. You get not my 20-minute charts, but the weekly charts. Okay. You will get all the templates to have all the weekly charts of all the pairs like this, with all the numbers and setup and everything. And then the alarm also, and then you also have a Telegram channel, right, where I always posting heads up, right, that what's happening and not, GJ and GU and GF, these are the messages, these are the charts. I'll keep posting as we go along and as the setups shows up, right. So it's a big help. So this is it for now, and thanks for watching, and have a very wonderful and safe weekend.